Our mission is to help the fashion industry go digital. The majority of our customers are in the custom clothing business. It's a huge industry. It's a $60 billion industry, but this industry has faced chronic challenges. Mainly, number one is difficulties in scaling. Custom clothing is just simply not cool for young people. So if you want to get their attention, if you want to get them to come to the store, it has to be all about the experience. So that's where our product comes in. So the hardware is our body scanner. It's made to be self-serviceable. The entire process only takes about 3 seconds and with high precision. Constructing the avatar, identifying the landmarks, and then extracting the measurements. We provide 250 pattern-making specific measurements. And by that, I mean these are measurements that can be understood by pattern makers and tailors. It allows you to visualize where the measurements are. Instead of the landmarks, you can review them individually, and if it's not sitting on the precise spot that you prefer, you can move it, and then it will remeasure the customer for you. This video tells a live example of one of our most successful customers in Taiwan. They built the scanner in the stores. So it becomes a multi-purpose space. You can try clothing there. You get yourself scanned, but the tailor in the factory will be able to log on, pull out the data, see the customer's body shapes, and be able to take all the measurements he wants. Then he writes it down to the original work order, and because of that, he's able to deliver more than 90% of orders in one try with no alterations. We also have bespoke haute couture or bespoke evening gown brands utilizing the body scanners to capture the various body shapes of their clientele. They use 3D software like Clo3D and Browseware to bring their avatars into and perform the virtual fitting before they even make the first cut on the fabrics. We have also explored with fast fashion brands. This one is H&M. So they set up this body scan jeans service in the corner of their flagship store. As the customer goes into the store, they sit in front of that big screen, register an account, and inside the dressing room, and simply follow the instructions, get themselves scanned. Then they return back to the kiosk, and they will be able to customize the jeans. You pay for it, and in about 2 to 3 weeks, they call you, you come back and pick it up. This is a lingerie brand from Asia. They have a killer product, which is the one that you see on the upper right-hand corner. Those are the body sculpting suits. They will invite their customers into this room, built with the scanner right there, and they usually have them scan naked, with their underwear on. They will be invited to put on one of the suits and come back and get scanned one more time. And the software will automatically compare the before scan and the after scan. Scans before, these are all your problems, and now they're all gone. And because of this, they have achieved a very, very high conversion rate. And because of that, they have now expanded to 30 stores with the complete installation of the body scanner. And we have also collaborated with a sportwear manufacturer that specializes in multidiscipline sportwear, triathlon events, measuring the athletes, scanning the athletes, and offer bespoke services. Not only do they use the measurements extracted from the body scanner, they also use 3D software that does automatic smart grading. So they provide bespoke services, but to ensure the fit, they do this automatically. And we also explore ways to use the scanner, to deliver more fun. We worked with a couple of retailers in events where they get people scanned, and our technology automatically apply skeletons to their avatars, airdrop their avatars into a metaverse. So they get to see their avatars running around, doing all kind of crazy dances with other people's avatar, and you would not believe it, people would line up for an hour for that experience.